Alright, we have this VTech home phone thing here. It's plugged in, I don't know if it's on. Oh, it is. This is all it does. Out of range, it's literally right here. Whatever, dude. Wow, and this TV thing is not doing it. Cannot put the battery in with these gloves. Stop saying out of range, it's literally right there. What am I stepping on? I don't know. And it's starting to split open, but the screen's not cracked yet. It's still good for more calls. Oh, what? Right as I said that, it like died or something. Oh no, it's still there. Gonna work now? Nope. Work! Work! Come on! Just exploded. Toss that battery over there. I do not want to get spicy batteries in here. Not yet, anyway. Snapped it in half. The screen's not even broken. Screen exploded. Must have all the liquid crystals. That pathetic little speaker. The wires are intact. I want to see what happens if I wire that up. Keypad part seems pretty cool. I almost forgot the power supplies and stuff. Sit up. I forgot about that. Ah, it was not worth putting a thing in the... What am I stepping on? It's going through my shoe. There's this. It's whip. It's trying to hit me. It broke off like that. What a piece of junk. Other ones typically last just a little longer. Where'd the rest of it go? It doesn't matter. The video's getting too long anyway.